Meaning of Emmett Kelly.
Emmett Kelly.
Emmett Kelly.
Emmett Kelly.
Emmett Kelly. Emmett Kelly was an American circus performer and clown who became famous for his sad-faced character, Weary Willie. Kelly's character represented the downtrodden and disillusioned everyman, and he was known for his ability to evoke deep emotions from audiences through humor and pathos. Kelly's performances were often accompanied by poignant musical scores that underscored the bittersweet nature of his act. He is remembered as one of the most iconic and influential clowns in American history, and his legacy continues to inspire performers and artists around the world today.